Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into an exciting and rapidly growing field, nanopharmaceuticals. The global nanopharmaceuticals market is set to skyrocket, with its value expected to reach an impressive $259.2 billion by 2032, up from $77.5 billion in 2023. This substantial expansion is driven by a compound annual growth rate of 14.8% over the forecast period from 2023 to 2032. So, what's driving the excitement around nanopharmaceuticals? These tiny substances are revolutionizing the pharmaceutical industry by enhancing therapeutic efficacy and reducing toxicity. This is achieved through improved, targeted, sustained, controlled, triggered, enhanced, and prolonged delivery of drugs. Oncology is leading the charge, dominating the market with a revenue share of over 30% in 2021. Nanopharmaceuticals are increasingly used in cancer treatment because they can target cancer cells more effectively while minimizing damage to healthy cells. This means better outcomes for patients and fewer side effects. One of the key advantages of nanopharmaceuticals is their ability to reduce the drug dose while enhancing bioavailability and lowering toxicity. Nanocarriers have a higher tendency for tissue sequestration, which alters the pharmacokinetic, pharmacodynamic, and toxicokinetic parameters of traditional drugs loaded into these nanosystems. Nanopharmaceuticals, on the other hand, offer benefits such as improved bioavailability, targeted drug delivery, and reduced side effects, making them more effective than conventional therapeutics. Here are some key disadvantages of conventional drugs. Lack of targeted delivery, affecting healthy tissues and causing side effects, particularly in treatments like chemotherapy. Side effects and toxicity, nonspecific distribution, and high doses can lead to significant side effects and toxicity. Drug resistance, diseases like cancer and infections can develop resistance to conventional drugs, rendering them ineffective. Poor penetration of biological barriers, many drugs struggle to penetrate biological barriers, such as the blood-brain barrier, limiting their use in treating central nervous system disorders. Nanomaterials are defined as materials with a particle size range of 1 to 100 nanometers in at least one dimension. However, if a material exhibits physical, chemical, or biological phenomena attributable to its dimension beyond the nanoscale range up to 1000 nanometers, it should also be considered a nanomaterial. Let's talk about nanocarriers. These are nanomaterials used as transport modules for other substances like drugs. Common examples of nanocarriers include micelles, polymer conjugates, polymeric nanoparticles, carbon-based materials like carbon nanotubes, dendrimers, lipid-based carriers like liposomes and nanostructured lipid carriers, gold nanoparticles like nanoshells and nanocages. Liposomes, in particular, have revolutionized drug delivery with enhanced stability, targeted release, and fewer side effects. They captured over 25% of the nanopharmaceutical market in 2021. Some notable drugs loaded with liposomal nanocarriers include liposomal amphotericin B, liposomal daunorubicin citrate, liposomal cytarabine, liposomal morphine sulfate, liposomal vincristine sulfate, liposomal vertporfin, liposomal doxorubicin. Speaking of liposomal doxorubicin, its market is estimated to be worth $1,281.3 million in 2024 and is projected to reach $2,367.5 million by 2034. The increasing prevalence of diverse cancer types, such as breast cancer, ovarian cancer, and Kaposi's sarcoma, is driving the demand for potent chemotherapy medications like liposomal doxorubicin. Let's see the examples of nanocrystal formulations available in the market include aprepitant nanocrystal, megestrol acetate nanocrystal, rapamycin nanocrystals formulated as tablets, fenofibrate nanocrystals. Let's see the polymer-based nanoformulations available in the market. Leuprolide acetate incorporated in nanoparticles composed of PLGH copolymer, paclitaxel nanoparticle, albumin conjugated paclitaxel nanoparticle. In cancer nanomedicine, Nanomaterials are designed to exploit the enhanced permeability and retention (EPR) effect in tumor tissues. This is particularly helpful in enhancing the therapeutic index and lowering off-target toxicity. This is the reason why the oncology segment dominated the market with a revenue share of over 30% in 2021. In the market, a nanostructured lipid carrier, NLC, has been developed with 7 core peptides, including 3 signal peptides that stimulate collagen and hyaluronic acid production, and 4 inhibitory peptides that help relax muscle contractions to reduce dynamic wrinkles. Additionally, these NLCs are loaded with curcuma longa extract, a natural antioxidant that scavenges free radicals. Clinical trial data shows that this formulation can reduce wrinkles by 31% and increase skin firmness by 40% in just 6 weeks. Nanopharmaceuticals are transforming the way we think about medicine, offering promising solutions to overcome the limitations of conventional drugs. Stay tuned for more fascinating insights into the world of pharmaceuticals.